Want to create a realistic water drop effect on a leaf in Photoshop? In this tutorial, you can create a simple water droplet using the Elliptical Marquee tool, Gradient tool, blending options, and shadows. Let's get started. First, select the Elliptical Marquee tool and create a small circle where you want the water drop to appear. Next, select the Gradient tool, choose your preferred gradient preset, and make sure the first gradient style option is selected from the Gradient tool options. Then, add a new layer and apply the gradient inside the circular selection by clicking and dragging downward. After that, change the layer's blend mode to Overlay. Now, click the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and select Blending Options. Enable Inner Shadow and set the blend mode to Linear Burn. Choose black as the color, set the opacity to 40%, the angle to -30 degrees, distance to 2, choke to 0, and size to 5. Next, enable Drop Shadow. Change the blend mode to Linear Burn, choose black again, set the angle to 127 degrees, distance to 10, spread to 0, and size to 14. Once you have finished adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the effect. And that's it. You now have a simple water drop effect that you can place on a leaf or other surface. You can experiment with the size and shape of the circle and adjust the shadow settings to make the water drop fit your image better.